Good evening, adventurers. Welcome to Happy Trail Backpacking. Today we're at Werner Lake County Park. We're going to do a short day hike around the lake here. Alright folks, so we're at Werner Lake County Park. Just getting started here. I got about a 1.7 mile trail picked out. I'm not sure if that's the trail I'll actually go, but we're gonna go pretty much around this lake. There are a bunch of little trails back here. There's ski trails, multi-use trails in the wintertime. I've been here before a couple times, but this is the first video I've ever done. Got a pretty large extended family. We have seasonal gatherings, and we usually rent out parks and stuff, and this is one of the parks that sometimes we rent out. There's a big building there. It has a kitchen inside with a big like cafeteria, restrooms, stuff like that, and then you got the park right here. It is about 31 degrees, and this is kind of a surprise visit. I was just happened to be in the area. Had my camera, had my backpack in the back seat of my car, so I thought I'd stop, go for a little hike. Come on. All right, here. Lake Werner is actually behind. Lake Werner is over here. This is the little pond over on the side. Let's go check it out. So the couple times I've been here, we're only in the summertime. This place is like another world in the winter. Couple of things. Like I said, this is a county park. I'm not really sure 100%, but I think this is Stearns County. And the trails here don't line up with my map. So we're already not doing the trail that I had marked out, but in the same general direction. I don't know if it's because it's winter or my map's just not accurate, which does happen from time to time, especially at these smaller, more less known parks. Well, the alcohol-free zone here is the picnic grounds right on the beach on the lake. Now, I'm not gonna go swimming right now. I don't have time. But it sure sounds nice. I hear it's really nice this time of year. But I think we're coming around to another trailhead that I could have started at. All right, well, there's Weber Lake. It's a pretty nice picnic grounds and beach. Got a fishing pier over there. There's a playground and a shelter with bathrooms over here. I'm sure you hear that noise in the distance, the traffic noise. That's Interstate 94, which is runs just over there on the other side of the lake. Not able to get any closer, but if you look right over here, there's some open water leading to a creek that flows into the lake here. There's like 6 geese, or not geese, 6 swans. There we go, we can see Interstate 94 there, passing by. boat launch. Some guy out there ice fishing. Beautiful lake. Pretty good sunset. Color's turning in the sky over there too, a little purple. My favorite. Alrighty folks, we're getting back here at the car. Back to the finish line. The flags, yeah. It's kind of cool they put these flags up. It makes it a little festive. Oh, don't step on the tracks. Yeah, that's a tip for you guys. Whenever you go hiking in the wintertime, and they have these tracks, the ski tracks in the ground, don't walk on those. They bring grooming machines out here to make those tracks for the skiers. So you don't want to step on those and wreck them. The skiers get mad. But yeah, this is a beautiful place. A lot of good amenities here for the summer and winter, I guess. This is the first time I've been here in the winter time, but pretty great. They have all the ski trails and multi-use trails in the wintertime. They also have the same trails in the summertime. But then they have the beach, they have the picnic area, they have this shelter behind me that is open, I think, year-round, as long as you pay to reserve that. I don't know how much it is, but it's probably like 150 bucks. Maybe a deposit or something like that. But it's a nice quiet park. It's not too busy. There's not a lot of people. There was one family here and one other person. It looks like those people have left and there's a new person here. So light flow of people. Yeah, what a beautiful day though. It's starting to drop down and get a little colder now. But thank you guys for coming with me. And I will see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.